This is Kotagiri, which is called Ganderabukku area, with full of greenery. You can see beautiful landscapes, tea estates, hills, and beautiful houses. It is just like a paradise on this auspicious morning. The clouds are slowly moving. Fog is there. You can see the fog also. See the small village where we are standing. The clouds are just touching the earth, moving forward to some other locations. God has created nature for us. God has created nature for us. We should protect that nature. Nature is God. How many people, please tell us that you will promise to protect the nature? My dear young boys, this is your future. This is your future. I will tell you. This is your future. You should keep this world with free of pollution, free of violence, free of wars, free of conflicts, free of domestic violence, whatnot, with full peace, compassion, and love. You must lead the life wherever you are. You are in western countries or in southern countries or eastern countries. Wherever you are, please, please protect the nature. Save the planet Earth for future generations. I would like to submit you that this is our world, this is the only world, only planet where people can live, where human beings are breathing, where human being is living, and no other planet gives you life. Please mind it. Please mind it. Let us pray God, oh God, you have given us the wonderful planet, wonderful rivers, wonderful technology to lead a happy life. You have buses, aeroplanes, trains, submarines, ships, boats, whatnot. Let us save the planet. Can you stay in the Mars? Can you stay in the moon? Can you stay in the Jupiter? No, it's not possible. God has given us this planet. We are living in the war zones. We are creating wars. People must know war is not the solution. People must know conflicts, killings, murders, not the solution. People are killing each other in the name of religion, in the name of difference between color, caste, creed, religion. People are killing. That is your border and this is your border. Don't come into my country. Why can't we think that planet should be borderless world? Any human being can go to any other country, but you must be peacefully living in other country. Now some people are doing migrating to other countries and creating lot of problems. They are not able to adjust to the local culture with local people. Such people are not allowed in any other country. That is my opinion. If you want to adjust with the local people and local culture and develop, grow with them, then you are allowed. Otherwise, you please be in your country only. Why you are going to some other countries and creating conflicts in that region? This is not good. This is not good. I want to tell you. This is a small house. I think maybe 100 years old. This type of houses you can't see now because of tiles on the roof side and old furniture, old type of doors. You can see the beautiful house where our past is glorifying in these houses. People were living in the small houses at the time and they are very happy. They were enjoying peaceful life. You see the temple on the hills. You can listen the bells sound from the temple. Such a beautiful climate, wonderful climate in southern India. It is near Ooty. It is called Kotagiri, Nilgiri Hills. It is around 15,000 feet above sea level. All Western Ghats spreading over 60,000 square kilometers in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. It's a wonderful tree with full of some other, depending upon the tree, some other plants are growing. It is called dependency upon others. When trees are depending upon others, human being also depends upon others in the society. So how you should live? You should live in coordinate with the other people. You cannot kill just like that the people that you don't like because they are not following your religion. You can't kill them. You must understand that God is one, that religions are different. The path to reach the God is only one path, and God is only one. There may be different paths, but all paths will straight away go together in a single line, and all people will reach the God in the same path, though you have trekked in different paths to reach the God. Please understand. Religion is man-made. It is not created by God. There is a supernatural element. You must listen to that supernatural element. What a beautiful scenery in the month of October. October is a winter season in India. You can see raindrops are just falling from the skies on the earth. You can see the tall trees on the edge of the hills, on the peak of the hills. Every man should think that they have to reach peak of your life. Peak in the sense you should become a gentleman, not a gangster or mafia leader. Please enjoy the beauty of the nature. I request you kindly protect the nature, protect the Mother Earth. Please, youngsters must listen to this. They must protect the nature, they must protect the rivers, they must protect the human being, they must protect the life. Let us live together. Let us live and let us allow others to live. Thank you very much for listening to this video. If you are interested, kindly comment on this. I would like to make more such videos in future. Thank you.